我是李文轩，我的梦想是当一名农夫，我要种很多菜，让新加坡人吃得健康。
I am Samantha. My dream is to be a teacher. I want to build a school for the children who have no home so they can grow up in a loving place.
我是吴彦卓，我的梦想是当一名医生，我要帮助穷困的人，让他们身体健康。
I am Jenna. My dream is to be a pilot. I want to drive my airplane safely so that my passengers can be happy and safe.
Hello. What happened?
My plane broke and I cannot fix it back.
Can I help? Do you like this plane very much?
Yes, because next time I'm going to be a pilot.
Here you go. I'm sure you will become a very good pilot. Something for you? You're welcome. See you. Bye.